Hi friends, this is Dr. Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. I'm speaking to you from Kolkata, India. But today I'm not going to discuss on any medical issue. Rather, I'm going to do this thing. Unboxing Canon EOS 200DII EFS 1855IS STM kit camera. I purchased this just today, so I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to just show you the details inside, and I want to share my joy with you. Though I am an old man, but yet I am feeling very joy in purchasing this thing so that I can perform good type of, some advanced type of video with the help of this camera. I haven't got an old camera with that thing so long I was doing. Now I have just procured it. Before unboxing, I want to just disclose the various items, names, and what does it mean. First, EOS stands for Electro-Optical System. Electro-Optical System is quite a self-explaining term. In a camera, there is electro-optical system, so EOS. 200D2, it is the just marking a particular type of camera. 200D2, let's say 500D, etc., etc. Next, EF stands for electrofocus. EFS, this is a particular type of lens. EFS, a particular type of lens. Canon has got EF series of lenses, that is very high standard and a professional level of lenses, but this is EFS. This is not professional, rather this lens is particularly for the beginners, mediocre type of photographers, not excellent. This lens EFS, that is this machine contains EFS type of lens, and the lens, you know, this very common thing to us, 1855. This is 1855 millimeter. That is, within this millimeter, the lens moves during zooming. While focusing various objects, it is moving within this 18 to 55 millimeter. The lens moves within this range. IS means image stabilizer. It is also self-evident, image stabilizer. This camera has got some image stabilizing effect, so it is IS. STM, this is rather confusing. STM, stepper motor tech. Stepper motor technology actually. Look, mind it, STM, but it is given that it is not T but it is MT. Stepper motor tech. I have verified it twice. It is okay. Stepper motor technology means when the lens is going to adjust moving body, it is doing it very nicely, noiselessly and fast. Suppose just right now I am moving, just moving my body, my hands and everything. Lens at once it is adjusting with this help of stepper motor technology, so that everything goes nicely. This is actually adjustment of the lens during video collection, video recording. Kit means kit, no kit. Now its resolution is 4096 into 2160. Resolution 4096 into 2160. That is 4 times of HD definition. High definition. You have got idea of high definition. This resolution of this particular camera is almost 4 times better than this. It is also got DSLR, digital single lens reflex. Digital single lens reflex. It is just Canon's has coined this term, single lens reflex, and it is digital. Digital means there is some chip, microchip, computerized microchip. So this is digital. And it is also called 4K camera. Now what does it mean 4K? What does it mean 4K? Mind it, this 4K is nothing but this resolution. 4K camera means this resolution 40960260, that is 4 times of HD, that is referring 4K camera. And I have purchased this at the cost of rupees 49,000. But you can purchase it less than 49,000. Just you have to bargain with the persons, I mean salesmen. They can go down to at least 48. Later I perceived that I have given a little bit better. But on the online in Amazon, it is shown as about 52,000. About 50,000. So this is everything introductory part. Now I will going to do the actual unboxing of parts. Let me show you the carry bag. This is the carry bag. This is the carry bag given by the Canon company along with this camera. Carry bag. Inner side is red lining. More or less okay. Nice to look at. There is a front chamber with a chain. The front chamber is also lined with red. There is also a small pocket here. And the whole thing is jet black color. In the back side there is also a pocket, but it is not, there is no chain here. Lining is same, red lining, beautiful to look at. These are very almost tough, it can carry, the camera can be carried here, more or less tough. And also I think that it will endure, it is endured. First, this is manual. This is the manual. Every camera has got some manual, it's also manual. This is warranty card. Warranty card. Mind this is 2 years free warranty. 2 years, not 1 year, 2 years. They are presently giving it 2 years free warranty. This is information regarding complimentary workshop. Canon is organizing it and we can join it freely. They are giving professional training on camera on 3 things: introduction to digital photography, photography fundamentals, tips and techniques. They are giving this training to us, I mean new purchasers. Here are some web pages, I mean address of the web page given. You can register name there. Then they will assign dates and times to you. You can have this training. This is very nice thing. Most interested persons in photography can get this training free of cost from Canon. This is simply charger box. Cord and the magic thing, battery. It is said that this battery can take up 600 to 650 still photography, and at a stretch 1.5 to 2 hours videography. A small battery, very powerful battery. This is a strap. Now, possibly this is a lens. Yes, this is the lens. This is the lens. The lens 1855 EFS 1855. That lens is this. That imaging lens is a very general purpose and very common lens, but expert says that this lens can perform some amazing photography in respect of videography and still photography. This simple 1855 all-purpose common general purpose lens. Expert says this, that this can perform a beautiful looking photography. This is chip, 16 GB chip, 16 GB chip. Finally, the camera. This Canon EOS 200DII EFS 1855 IS STM kit with this is camera. I have to fit this thing here. Yes, it is done. It's ready. This camera, 1855 camera, is fitted on. Now one can use this thing, and this is a viewfinder. This is a viewfinder. It is flappable. Very useful thing for self videography. Very useful thing for self videography. And there are so many menus and performance guides are here. You can do this thing, etc. Very nice, simple thing. Anybody can do this. There is for fitting of some light arrangements, stabilizing, various things are there. Lens, one can just zoom. This is that zooming, that is from 18mm to 55mm. That zooming is done by this thing. এবার আমি আমার হাতে ধরে পুরনো ক্যামেরা দিয়ে নতুন ক্যামেরার একটু চারদিকটা আপনাদের দেখাবার চেষ্টা করছি। আমার ক্যামেরাটা এক্স্যাক্টলি কেমন দেখতে, জাস্ট আপনাদের কয়েক সেকেন্ড বিরক্ত করব, এরপরে আমার বক্তব্য আমি শেষ করে দেব। But I must admit one thing, I'm a novice in this matter. But I think after using this at least for 3 months, I can get some more information about this. And then I have an intention to details on the performance of this particular videography, other video, on the performance of this Canon particular brand, how, what are the good thing, what are the bad thing, what are the pros, what are the cons. But I have to take at least 3 months time, because I'm a novice. I have to learn everything. Friends, this is all regarding unboxing. Now I'm concluding this session with the sincere wishing that you all get either this or better camera for your videography. You will certainly purchase someday. I mean, those who are junior, who are just starting, for them I am expressing my sincere wish that all of them will get this type of high performing camera or better than this, and do a lot of good videos uploading in the YouTube. With this thing, thanks and final conclusion.